Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. Please remember that this review reflects my personal experience with these banks. Choosing between Fifth Third Bank and Zions Bank? This video breaks down the key differences to help you find the best fit for your financial needs. For more detailed information, check out the links provided in the description. Fifth Third Bank is a major regional player with a substantial network of over 1,100 branches across the United States. They offer a wide array of financial products and services, covering everything from traditional checking and savings accounts to credit cards, home loans, and investment opportunities. A key draw for many customers is Fifth Third's competitive interest rates on savings and money market accounts. Furthermore, their mobile app is highly regarded for its user-friendly interface, enabling convenient mobile deposits, bill payments, and effortless account management. Fifth Third caters to individuals who value a blend of accessible physical branches and robust online banking tools. In contrast, Zions Bank primarily operates in the western United States, with a core focus on serving the business community. While Zions does offer personal banking options such as checking and savings accounts, auto loans, and mortgages, their true strength lies in commercial banking. They provide specialized services tailored to businesses, including business loans, merchant services, and treasury management solutions. Zions has built a solid reputation for partnering with small businesses, offering customized financial strategies to fuel their growth and expansion. While their digital banking platform is well-designed and easy to navigate, Zions Bank truly excels in its comprehensive business banking offerings. So, which bank is right for you? Consider your financial priorities. If you're looking for a full-service bank that offers both a robust digital experience and the convenience of physical branches, Fifth Third Bank is an excellent choice. However, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur seeking specialized business banking services and tailored financial guidance, Zions Bank is likely the better fit. Explore the links in the description below to delve deeper into each bank's offerings and make the most informed decision for your financial future.